G'day everybody. Well, it's time for a bit of a video, a bit of an update on what's been going on at the moment. I again apologise for the lack of videos, but I've just been flat out with work. The old refrigeration life's pretty taxing. I come home pretty tired, but it's good fun. We do a lot of fun stuff, so I'm definitely enjoying it. Recently I've just managed to score some pretty awesome stuff off Gumtree, including this 1960s Telequipment Type D43 oscilloscope. Comes with 2 signal amplifiers and things. I'm not going to show you fully what's inside because I'm going to be doing a separate video on this when I power it up and get it running, but it's pretty awesome. Scored it with 2 electric motors and also some other little meters and things for about 15 bucks, so I'm pretty happy with it. That's proper CRT. That's the way they should be. None of this digital bullshit which they're making these days. These old bombs will last forever. I'll give you a little teaser. One of the amplifiers. The good thing is about the Type D is that these actually come out with a little bit of gentle persuasion. It's a little bit stubborn. This one is anyway. There we go. This is one of the signal amplifiers that are in them. And that is absolutely beautiful technology. The amazing thing is that this whole unit now is probably replaced by a little semiconductor, probably no bigger than your thumb. Yeah, this is what it used to be. This was once upon a time top of the range. It's pretty awesome stuff, isn't it? Beautiful wiring too. Love that, the way they've done that. I've run it proper straight edged. So there'll be a video on this at some point. I can't promise when, but I'll get one up as soon as possible. So that's that. We do have another Siren in the making, slowly. This one's a slow progress, so it won't be videoed for a while, but this is a bit of a teaser too. Just trying to make a model of an ACA P15, a rotating one. I've got a rotator assembly happening from an old rotary screw compressor bearing. That's a big ball bearing race, called a thrust bearing. There's 2 of them on each shaft inside those big ammonia compressors. Because I used to do ammonia refrigeration. So that's going to be my rotator, and then this is all going to mount on it, and then it'll work out a way to pump air to it because it's an old vac motor. It's going to work very similar to the way the Chrysler Sirens do. With the you got a series of discs with the same number of perforations in them, and as they rotate past each other, that's how you're getting the pulsar effect, as opposed to the radial ones, which suck air in on their own and then blow it out, which is the most common type of siren that you'll see. So that's the horn for it. Big projector. It's an old 14-inch to 12-inch duct reducer. It's not insulated, so they were throwing it out at work simply because it fails the Australian standard now for duct. But I just figured, don't throw it out, save it, make a siren with it. So yeah, again, not going to show too much of that because I've got to finish it first and get it running. But yeah, there'll be lots more fun siren videos. Also scored this too, along with the scope. A little vintage variable resistor. It's wire wound on a ceramic tube. It's quite old. But, clean that up, definitely use it. Might even work like a variac maybe, I'm not sure. And a couple of motors too that I scored. It's a very old one. Very old. There's the nameplate on it there. Dictaphone Corporation, Universal Electric Motor, number 41645. Very old. There's this one here, which I'm not sure what that is, but it's missing its cap, which is a bit of a bummer. Can't actually see a manufacturer's tag on it too. Oh yeah, down there. So it's a Westinghouse. Nice. I haven't even had time to properly play around with this, but I'm sure I'll be able to fix it up, get it running. Running out of memory too. Yeah, this is the blower assembly I've now rigged up for the Sirens. Just figured I might as well show it. We've got the vac motor, which is pumping air out, and as well as that, we've actually got a refrigerant compressor. I've changed the oil in it so it doesn't rust, but what this is doing is adding a few psi of pressure to that air, which is what gives the Sirens the resonant noise, should I say. So that's basically just coming straight out of the compressor into the mix in with the air from the vac motor. Now whether it actually does anything or not, I'm not sure, but it's a Tecum's little Unite Hermetique. They're a very good compressor, and it is running off Embraco gear. So yeah, we'll do another proper video of that when I get the Siren running, because that's what I'm going to be using to run that, and also the oil pump Siren. That thing's pretty bloody loud. We'll have to throw that on the roof sometime and give that a go. So yeah, lots of fun stuff coming. Again, if I feel up to doing videos, this thing definitely, I'm gonna have a play around with this tomorrow, hopefully, and even get another video up for you. Yeah, also got these two old amp meter, and running time meter too. Very old stuff. I have to clean it up and see if it goes or not. But anyway, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some exciting stuff.